Alright, what's up everybody? So in this episode, we'll be going over the new features of the latest Tesla software update 2021.36. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright, so the first new feature is airbag system improvements. So basically, they've improved the overall airbag system of the Model Y, and that's quite amazing. It was able to be improved through software update. That's one of the biggest reasons why you should buy a Tesla. However, the big news for this software update is cold weather improvements. So basically, this feature will automatically set your cabin to be at a desired temperature anytime you'd like. Now they have updated the app. As you can see, we set the vehicle to be at a desired temperature for the cabin by 8 a.m. on weekdays. So every weekday, the cabin becomes nice and warm by 8 a.m. You can also schedule your charging on the app as well, which is really nice. So those are the new features of this software update. They have done an update to the yoke steering wheel in the new Model S, and if you'd like to see those updates done to the Model S, click on the top right corner of your screen. But anyways guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's episode. Thanks everybody for watching this episode. Smash the like and subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any new posts, send a comment down below, and catch you guys in the next episode.